Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for January 3. The National Security Ministry has made special arrangements for people who started but did not complete the payment process in the recent traffic ticket amnesty. Those who have already received stamped documents from the Police Traffic Division have been given until Friday, January 4 to make payments at the tax office. As for those who challenge the tax records and say they've had to pay twice, the Security Ministry says they'll be eligible for a refund if it's proven that their tickets had indeed been previously paid. The police, meanwhile, will be suspending prosecution and arrests for 2 weeks to allow all those persons with legitimate claims room to secure their proof of payment.
It goes up until the 21st of January. So you have 2.5 weeks now to make your queries, come to us and let us deal with it. I don't want when the 2.5 weeks are up now, then you're coming back with the same old story, the same old hard luck story. It will not be accepted.
The National Security Ministry says close to $340 million was collected from the 6-month traffic ticket amnesty, with almost 60% of that amount collected on the final day. The amnesty allowed persons with unpaid tickets issued before September 21, 2010 to pay without incurring additional penalties. A new media campaign and infrastructure changes are among strategies that will be used this year to sustain gains made in road safety in 2012. That's according to the Director of the Transport Ministry's Road Safety Unit, Kenute Hare, who tells JIS News that interagency collaborations will target specific areas.
We'll be looking at working close with the National Works Agency to develop the hotspot maps and to have those areas properly identified and the necessary surgery applied to those areas from an engineering and environmental process.
As part of that, he says safe and approved guardrails will be erected across the northeastern parishes of St. Mary, Portland and St. Thomas to replace those that have been knocked out. In the meantime, the Road Safety Director says a new ad campaign will be rolled out shortly featuring 6 infomercials. Another ad is to come out before the end of March to increase awareness of the needs of persons with disabilities. Government will be awarding more net billing licenses this year, enough to provide up to 115 megawatts of capacity for renewable energy. Energy Minister Philip Paulwell made the announcement at a recent ceremony where the Highlight View and Land Lease residents of St. Andrew got electricity for the first time.
Early in the year, we intend to award licenses to see more use of renewable energy. We have energy from the sun. We have energy from the garbage. We have energy from the wind.
The ministry introduced the net billing system in 2012, allowing persons to sell excess energy generated through renewable sources to the national grid. Already 11 such licenses have been awarded. The first batch of farm workers for 2013 left the island on Thursday to participate in the Labour Ministry's Overseas Employment Program. The 172 workers, 50 of whom are new to the program, are destined for Canada. Labour and Social Security Minister Derek Kelly met with the workers on Wednesday and gave them some encouraging words.
Demonstrate professionalism while on the job so that the Ministry's employment program can be expanded to provide opportunities for other unemployed Jamaicans. I'm calling on them to observe the rules as much as possible for their safety and for their health.
In 2012, the Labour Ministry dispatched 12,000 workers under the Overseas Employment Program, and the aim is to increase that number to 13,200 this year. And finally, Russian flight TransAero Airlines made its inaugural trip to Jamaica New Year's Day, strengthening tourism linkages with that European country. Tourism Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil was on hand to greet the 320 passengers and crew shortly after they landed at the Sangster International Airport on Tuesday.
The start of this flight service has been long overdue. The arrival of this flight has again signaled that our efforts to boost airlift and open up new markets continues to bear fruit.
TransAero flies to 40 countries on 130 routes and has hubs in Moscow, St. Petersburg and Yekaterinburg. The airline will be operating regular charter flights to Jamaica in partnership with tour operator Biblioglobus. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.